Dopamine didn't destroy you in one moment. It did it quietly, through every small decision you didn't even realize you were making. And the worst part, it all felt normal. Every app on your phone was designed by the smartest engineers in the world with one single goal: keep you scrolling. Keep your dopamine just stimulated enough that leaving feels impossible. And it worked. That's why deep work feels exhausting. Focus feels expensive. Anything that doesn't deliver instant reward feels like a waste of time. And slowly your brain has forgotten what patience feels like. That isn't weakness. That is a dopamine system that has been trained to demand instant reward. And until you fix the system, nothing else you try will work. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to take it back. So let's start with the first one. Stop multitasking. Here is the truth about multitasking. It feels productive, but the reality is totally opposite, because your brain can't do two things at once. That isn't an opinion. That is neuroscience. Every time you switch between tasks, it doesn't save time. It destroys focus. And a man without focus cannot build anything that requires deep, sustained attention. Because multitasking isn't a skill, it's a habit that is quietly making you less capable every single day. So all you need to do is pick one task, close every app, and work until it's done. 2. Build discipline systems. Discipline isn't a feeling, it's a system. Waiting to feel motivated before you work is the reason nothing gets built. Motivation arrives late, leaves early, and cannot be trusted when it matters most. A system doesn't care how you feel. It doesn't check your mood. It just runs. Wake up at the same time, same morning routine, work in the same block, same non-negotiable actions executed in the same order every single day. Not because it's exciting, because it's reliable. Consistency isn't a personality trait. It's a system running quietly in the background. 3. Avoid overstimulation at night. Your night is destroying your next day. Every screen you stare at before sleep, every reel you scroll through at midnight, every episode you watch until your eyes force themselves shut, your brain isn't resting. It's being flooded. And a flooded brain wakes up foggy, unfocused, already behind before the day even begins. 1 hour before sleep, cut the screens. No exceptions, no negotiations. Replace it with silence, reading, stillness, because how you end the night determines who shows up the next morning. 4. Build emotional self-control. You can't fix your dopamine system with an uncontrolled mind, because every emotional spike, every moment of stress, frustration, loneliness sends your brain straight back to its cheapest reward. And every time you react instead of respond, you hand control to the most impulsive version of yourself, the one that eats when stressed, scrolls when bored, explodes when triggered. That version is expensive. Pause before every reaction. 1 breath, 1 second of space between the feeling and the response. That pause is where self-control lives. A man who controls his reactions controls his entire life. Now, you already know what needs to change. So before you close this video, I need you to make one decision, not a big one, not a life-changing declaration, just one small, honest commitment to yourself right now. Not tomorrow, not after one more scroll. In this moment, with whatever energy you have left today. Because the dopamine system does not fix itself. The focused, clear, controlled mind you want does not arrive on its own. It gets built by you. So challenge them. And starting now, pick the one point that hit hardest, go apply it before this day ends. Drop a comment which one are you going to start, and subscribe to the Inspiring Zone.